You are a terrible spy.
Seriously, with your size, you easily could have stayed in the air ducts for days.
I'm not a spy. I heard about your benefit concert on Facebook and I wanted to perform. I know what it feels like to be an academic decathlon. No one pays attention to you. No one cares. It's not right. We study so hard.
Yeah, but you're on vocal adrenaline. How do we know we can trust you?
Because I have nothing against any of you. I have 600 Twitter followers. I can get all of them to come.
How many tickets have we sold so far?
4. No one's interested.
It's just sad.
Please just let me show you what I can do. I would like to sing the perfect song about neglect all by myself. I'm such a better singer than everyone else, so I know how it feels. I'm all alone at the top. Also, I'm really short. So even when I'm in a group of people, it feels like I'm wandering alone through a forest.
There's no way that she's singing in our auditorium, okay? She's the enemy.
I say we give her a chance. I mean, you owe her, Rachel. You sent her to a frickin' crack house.
When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.